Today we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you how to download and install Fortnite on PC. So currently I'm on my new gaming PC. Yeah. So you're gonna go onto your web browser. Mine's this. I already have Fortnite up. So as you can see down here, I already have Fortnite downloading. So from something else, but what you want to do, you want to type in when you're in your browser. It doesn't matter what browser you're in. You want to type in Fortnite download, not free download, Fortnite download. Then you want to hit Epic Games Fortnite. You're going to hit Epic Games Fortnite. That one right there. And then once it loads up, it's going to automatically download for automatically download for whatever thing you're using. So you can follow this, and like Mac users, you can follow this this video, but it's gonna be different. You're gonna have if your download fails, I've already downloaded it. So what you're gonna want to do is hit run, and then so you hit run, and then it will bring you to a screen, and you'll want to keep downloading. It's your choice if you want to keep going. So I already downloaded it, so I'm going to hit cancel. So just go through the steps. It's going to tell you what to do once you have the installer up and going. So that's just the Epic installer right there. That's just the Epic installer. So just hit cancel. Don't hit that, hit run. So I'm going to get out. Alright, so once it's done, it's going to open for you Epic Games Launcher. That's all it's downloading for right now. Okay, as you can see, I have Fortnite installing for 68%. But once it comes, it's gonna ask you to sign in. You're gonna use whatever one you want. You're just gonna sign in or sign up if you're new. And so this is my account down here. Guys, if you guys want to friend me, you can. We'll do game chat. When I get Discord soon, I'll let you guys know. So mine's 70%. It depends how long it's gonna end on your Wi-Fi and your computer, how good it is. So yeah. Yeah, and then pretty much. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't need to be here. So downloads. That's just other games they have. You guys can just look at that. So alright. So I guess that's it, guys. So here's Fortnite. That's Hello Neighbor. Okay. So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if this helped you or not. And, yeah, I'll be doing some gameplay in future videos, as well as Minecraft and stuff, and Minecraft mods. Roblox, too. So, yeah, once again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So just like that.